Hey, real quick, you've probably seen posts saying the IRS just approved a $1,390 payment this summer. Don't sweat it yet. No new stimulus check is guaranteed right now. Let me tell you what's real, what's rumor, and exactly what to watch so you don't get scammed or misled. This is the short version. Talk in Washington about rebates or tariff-funded refunds is not the same as a law that puts cash in your bank. Until Congress passes a law and the Treasury or IRS makes a public announcement, treat any "you're getting paid" posts as rumors. That's the baseline. Right now, people are seeing numbers, $1,390, $1,400, even $2,000, and getting excited. Those figures are being thrown around in articles and social posts, but here's the simple rule. No law equals no check. If lawmakers approve a rebate, you'll see 1. A passed law, 2. An official announcement about eligibility, and 3. Clear instructions on how the money will be delivered. Until you see all 3, don't plan your budget around it. Why the rumor is spreading so fast? People want relief. Politicians are talking about using tariff revenue or other sources for rebates. That kind of proposal can easily get turned into headlines that sound like confirmations. Then social posts amplify it. Add in phishing pages and scam emails, and the story explodes. Bottom line, proposals are proposals, not payments. What you might hear about eligibility, but don't bank on it. Speculative lists are already floating around: individuals under $75,000, married couples under $150,000, heads of household below $112,500. Those numbers echo past rebate ideas, but they aren't official rules. If a rebate is ever approved, the law will spell out exact income cutoffs, which filing year counts, and whether kids or dependents get extra money. Right now, those specifics are guesses. How payments would likely be paid if approved. If Congress ever greenlights a rebate, the government usually follows the old playbook. Flat amount per eligible adult, smaller amount per child, phased out above income thresholds. Delivery methods would include direct deposit for people with bank info on file, paper checks for others, and sometimes preloaded debit cards. But again, that's the typical approach, not proof that a payment is coming. Scams to watch for, and they're everywhere during rumors. If you get an email, text, or DM asking for your bank login, social security number, or a processing fee to release a payment, delete it. The IRS will not text you asking for personal info to send a stimulus. If a link doesn't go to an official government domain, don't click it. Scammers love the free money angle. They'll try to phish login details, steal your identity, or get you to pay fake fees. Practical steps you should take right now. 1. Don't click suspicious links. 2. Don't give out bank info or social security numbers to anyone promising a payment. 3. Don't change financial plans assuming you'll get about $1,400. Plan without it. And 4. Check your own tax records if you think you missed past credits. But be careful where you search. Use official channels. Why the rumor matters even if the money isn't real yet. Talk of rebates can move markets, shape political debate, and change what lawmakers consider next. If tariffs or other revenue sources become part of a larger budget fight, those decisions could affect taxes, trade, and consumer prices down the road. So while no check means no immediate cash, the chatter can still have real effects on the economy. A quick note about related money talk you'll see. People will reference things like recovery rebate credits or link to past pandemic payments. Those past programs were created by law. New payments work the same way. Congress acts, then the Treasury and tax agency execute. Don't confuse campaign promises or draft bills with actual cash in your account. If approved, timeline basics. What to expect. If lawmakers approve a rebate, distribution usually follows. Direct deposits first for accounts on file, then mailed checks and other delivery methods. Expect delays, errors, and phased rollouts. If you move often, now's a good time to make sure your tax filing address and bank info are current because distribution will follow that data. Quick math, keep it simple. Viral amount, $1,390. Think of it as about $1,400. Rumors that millions will be paid next week? Not confirmed. Potential household impact from tariff-driven price moves? Some estimates talk about roughly $2,400 in added short-term costs for an average household as tariffs filter through. That's a separate effect from rebates. What to tell older family members or friends who forward posts. Ask them to pause before sharing. Tell them, show me the law or the official announcement. If they can't, it's a rumor. If a text looks official but the URL is weird, it's a scam. The safest move is to ignore and verify. What I'll watch for and why it matters to you. I'm watching for 3 concrete signals: a law on the books, posted eligibility rules, and a clear distribution method. Once that happens, I'll break down who gets paid, when, and how to check your status. Until then, treat the noise like noise. Final quick checklist before we go. Don't plan your budget on a rumored $1,400 payout. Protect your personal info, never give it to unsolicited links or callers. Keep an eye on official statements for any real changes. And if you want help sorting through conflicting headlines, ask a tax pro, but verify they're legitimate. Thanks for sticking with me. I'll watch this closely and bring you clear updates the moment anything real is announced. If this helped you cut through the noise, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next money update. See you in the next video.